welcome back to Keyboard Remedy. It's me, Kumita CPU, and I have some good news. We are back with the Discord bot series. And today we are going to do a 8-ball command and a random fade command which uses the random library in the Discord.py. Actually, you can make meme commands, random joke commands, random image commands like commands too. So, let's get right into it. Okay, let's start things off with the 8-ball command. So I will first explain you how this works. So I have my dash.py bot and it has 8-ball command too. So we just make this like 8-ball the prefix and ask us question like should I watch a movie tonight, like that, and if we send it, it will reply with the answer. Now it's IDK, but you should subscribe Keyboard Robotics. Yeah, you should too. And this replies it replies with a random answer. Now if we do that again, it will be a different one. So let's see. Yeah, see, it's I have imported a list of responses, and it responds with those random answers will be given when you use this command. Okay, let's start programming. First of all, we need to import the random library like that and enter, and next we can work on the command. So client.command like that, and async def and 8-ball, and you should make 8-ball in text, and because if we now put 8-ball in like 8-ball, it's don't connect detect as a command. Yeah, and next 8-ball in text, and next ctx, and we need the bot to detect the question. And now bot has imported the answer and question in the question. So like that, in the response. We need the bot to detect it. So we add a star because there is a small gap between the command and next a question as a variable. And what we can do to this 8-ball thing, we can add aliases. So it's just like a shortcut like thing, and so we just add 8-ball like that, and or we need a bracket like this, and this side too like that. And next we need to make a variable called response, and we just add a response, like import what response we need to bot to respond to the question, like to the command like that. And so I can add yes and like no, and like I'm not sure like things, I am not sure like those things we can add. So I have a prepared list of responses, so I will just quickly do that. And you can see responses hell no, and I don't know about you should say, and better not tell you no, like that, and different kinds of responses. And next what we need to do is make the response the response here. So await ctx.send, and open a f-thread in the brackets, oops, like that. And next first the question. Now we are making this response. Now first we need to add the question and like that, and add the variable like it is detected here and it is imported here. And next we need to add a /n like that, and what it does is now without the /n, now the answer here will be here like the question, should I move it tonight, and a space and answer alien, yeah, dude, like that. And now I have get the answer to another row, the below row. So like that, that what this from the /n. And next we can answer, oops, like that. And we can add now random dot choice. This is what choose the random thing, the response. And next we can add the variable, we can import the variable here to here. Now what this does is it will choose a random one here from these replies and send it with these taglines. So I will close the F thread and like that. And let's see and run the program. And yeah, bot is ready. And let's go here and let's see will it work. So I will use the same question, movie tonight. And yeah, very doubtful. So it have replied with the random answer. Now we can check it. Like now if we that ask again, it will reply with a different one. Yeah, like that. And I don't know, bro. We can just try it out again. Like that, cannot try it now. Like that, it sends a random message. And that's the 8-ball command. And we will move on to the random fact command. It's a bit same like this. And let's see. So let's start the random fact command. So first client.command, always as usual. And next async def and fact. And next ctx, and like that. And now let's make a variable called facts. Yeah, that will be the facts variable. And now let's add some thing. So I have some prepared facts, so don't need to worry about that. And like that. And I have some. And next ctx.send and yeah, random choice, random.choice and facts. And that's all you got to do, I think. And you can make it like we'll wait till it's run. And let's see what will it do. Let's see. Oh wait, I should add a wait here. We almost forgot that. That's some important facts there. And so bot is ready. And let's see. So at fact. And blue whales eat 500,000 calories in 1 month food. Like I have had some emojis too. And like that. Now let's do that again. And there's another random fact, and that is working. So I just show you real quick that you can make this as a embed like my dash.py bot. So you can make this as an embed. And now I'm not going to do it, but you should watch the how to make embeds in Discord if you didn't watch. So that's the end of programming, and let's head to the outro. It's time to conclude the video, and I hope you got all the things alright. And if you want more videos in this series, click that like button, and 15 likes I will upload another video in this series. Also make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and also hit the notification bell, and so you won't miss out our videos. And as we upload our videos, you will get notified. Also leave a comment as a feedback, and thank you for watching. See you guys in another video.